Keeping your inventory stocked is just as important as managing your sales. Every product that enters your business needs to be properly recorded so you can track quantities, costs, and supplier purchases accurately. In this lesson, I'll show you how to create your first purchase order in Salonist. Let's get started. Head to the warehouse section and open purchases. Then click new purchase. Start by searching your vendor. Next, choose a product you'd like to purchase. Once a product is selected, Salonist automatically fills in the product information including the cost price, full price, and sale price based on the product details already saved in your inventory. Now enter the quantity you'd like to purchase. If needed, you can also apply a discount to the product line. Salonist automatically updates the totals for you. Need to add more products to the same purchase order? Simply click Add More and continue adding additional items to the same invoice. Below, you can also apply an overall discount to the entire purchase order. Choose whether you'd like the discount calculated as a percentage or a fixed value. You can also enter the applicable VAT percentage. Salonist automatically recalculates the final total based on the values entered. Next, decide how much you'd like to pay. You can pay the full amount or make a partial payment. If you don't pay the full amount, Salonist automatically keeps track of the remaining balance, making it easy to manage outstanding supplier payments. Then select the payment method and add notes if required. Once everything is ready, click Save. Your purchase order is now created and the invoice is automatically generated. Back in the Purchases section, you'll see the purchase record saved in your history. From the Actions menu, you can add a payment, edit the bill, delete the bill, or view the invoice at any time. And that's it. You've successfully created your first purchase order and recorded it with Salonist.